Are you looking for better results and more efficient ways to maximize the ROI of your marketing dollars? Decision Software Inc. provides top marketing campaign tools that can help you make your next big move. DSI has spent the last 25 years building, analyzing, and querying complex marketing databases. Our tools allow you to segment, parse, and process large databases to better target your customers and prospects with the right offer at the right time. Our easy-to-use system provides marketing automation features to power your email marketing and multi-channel campaigns, delivering exceptional business intelligence for your campaign plans. DSI empowers marketing professionals to run successful campaigns for themselves or for their clients. These versatile capabilities allow us to serve both agencies and companies looking for a plug-and-play system with existing client databases, or that maintain their own internal marketing databases and need a more custom solution. Either way, our team can assist you in getting up and running quickly. If you're ready to learn how we can better utilize your marketing dollars and increase your bottom line, call us today at 301-459-9000 to schedule a free demo and see our system in action.